thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Forest City, or 4 miles northwest of Polkville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bellwood, Lawndale, Falston, Polkville, Kingstown, and Sunshine. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. The storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, and Rutherford.
Alright guys, that's it. Bye.